Greetings everyone, Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. This video is recorded with my iPhone 13 Pro. And this is the sound. 50% of the people will watch your video even if the quality of the video is not great. Although if the video is not great, but the sound quality is good, it's more than good, it's excellent, people still will watch your videos. And that's why we buy this. This is the Behringer XM8500. I know this is a handheld microphone, but the sound quality of this microphone is amazing. I know you have to spend money for gear, audio interface, you need a PC or Mac, but the sound quality of this microphone is just amazing. I know it's a handheld microphone, but it's a great microphone. The sound quality of your mobile phone, it's not great. It's not great. The sound quality of your camera, it's not great. This thing costs $25. Here in UK is about 18-20 pounds. So amazing sound quality for less than 30 bucks, which is very, very good in my opinion. Disclaimer, Behringer doesn't know that I'm doing this video. This is not a sponsored video. You can check this microphone all over the place. People is gonna say that this microphone is great. And it's great for a reason, because the sound quality is just amazing. This microphone is connected to my solid state logic. And in the end, I have a small surprise. I'm gonna turn on the 4K legacy button. But in the meantime, let's talk about this amazing microphone. As you can hear, the only problem with this microphone is the problem with the plosives. Peter Piper, peep, peep, pa, pa. So as you can hear, when I'm very close to the microphone, we're gonna start to have some problem with the plosives. So make sure you always speak. But this microphone is great because it's a dynamic microphone. What a dynamic microphone basically is? Dynamic microphone minimize the sound behind the microphone. So if you have a fan kicking, if you have a keyboard or some noise going on in the room, if your room is not treated, the dynamic microphone is great for that. And also, dynamic microphone is great for the sound. If you need this proximity effect. So now I'm going to be on the top of the microphone, so as you can see, my voice begins a little bit more boomy, which some people like that. I do like that. But overall, for 25 bucks, this microphone is amazing. You'll not be disappointed. I think if you're on a budget, because we always rush to buy the more expensive gear. Always. I remember when I started my YouTube channel, I always wanted to buy the most expensive microphones, cameras, gear, and so on. But this is the problem. First, you need to invest in something not very expensive, but good quality. And this is a good quality. Behringer has the reputation of very good microphones. I mean, I can say that for some of them. But yeah, this is great microphone. Now we're gonna check the off axis of this microphone. I'm gonna turn the microphone so we'll see what is the rejection of the sound. So this is the 90 degrees of the microphone. As you can hear, the sound quality is not very good. this is the back of the microphone, so probably you don't hear me at all. And actually, I can confirm that on my DAW. This is pretty good, pretty good. This is the another 90 degrees, and as you can hear, doesn't, I mean, pretty nice. The rejection is very good. And now this is the front of the microphone, so as you can hear immediately, the Behringer is doing an amazing job of rejecting the sound. So very impressed. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the legendary 4K legacy button. I know you're here only for that reason, and let's do that together. Let me show you that I have the solid state logic, and also we're gonna see something else as well. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the levels say 3 o'clock, so we have a plenty of gain. And now let's press the 4K legacy button. Alright, so this is the 4K legacy button. I do like the sound of this 4K legacy button, just makes my voice sexy. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you agree with me? I think the sound is pretty amazing. Let me know, what do you think? Do you agree with me? The 4K legacy button is very popular, and that's why I enjoy this audio interface. I think complements a dynamic microphone better than the a condenser microphone. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Check my video. There you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. So if you're planning to do content creations with your camera or your smartphone, invest in a dynamic microphone. It's better to invest in something more professional and record the audio separate, and then combine this, and you're gonna have amazing, beautiful sound. So subscribe, turn on your notifications. I really enjoyed making this video. I mean, I enjoy making videos about sound microphones. So leave a comment. Let's have some conversation. I'll see you in the next video.